Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Does boiling contaminated water make it safe to drink? It depends on the contaminant. Boiling water can kill germs, but things like lead, nitrates, and pesticides aren't affected. And since boiling reduces the volume of water, it increases the concentration of those contaminants. 17 October 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The most popular bottled waters, ranked. Smart water. The story, the folks at Glasseo have their heads in the clouds. Aquafina, Dasani, Evian, Fiji Natural Artesian Water, Nestle Pure Life, Voss, Mountain Valley Spring Water, the 27th of April 2017.
Take our lead.
Bring water to a rolling boil for at least 1 minute. At altitudes above 5,000 feet 1,000 meters, boil water for 3 minutes. Let water cool naturally and store it in clean containers with covers.
Take our lead.
Boiled water helps balance your metabolism and ensures that your body does not suffer when you are tired or lack energy. It also leads to the formation of healthy hair and limits hair fall. Drinking hot water results in improving the blood circulation in the body. 28 September 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
Disadvantages of drinking boiled water. Time-consuming, more expensive. Remnants of heavy metals. Boiled water can taste bland. Loss of natural minerals. Bacteria residue can remain. Concentration of dissolved impurities after boiling. Improperly boiled water is unsafe.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.